US income inequality surged dramatically after 1980. Between 1950 and 1980, the top 10% of earners in the US controlled about 30 to 35% of national income. But after 1980, things changed rapidly. By the 2000s, the top 10% were taking home 45 to 50% of the nation's income. This shift wasn't just about stock market booms. Even excluding capital gains, the top earners' share increased significantly. The richest 1% saw their portion of national income jump from 9% in the 1970s to about 20% by 2010. Understanding these trends is crucial for grasping the economic forces at play today.